Logistics and supply chain management is more than just transport, warehousing and transshipment. On Supply Chain Day in CT Park Prague North, companies in the industrial, trading and logistics sectors provided the public with an opportunity to look behind the scenes and experience the wide variety of logistics.
Letos jsme se tady sešli k prvnímu ročníku Dne české logistiky, je to úplně nová akce. Je to vlastně národní formát, který zapadá do celoevropského formátu Evropské logistické asociace a ten má 8letou tradici.
The logistics here in the Czech Republic does to play the very important and maybe the key role. We have so many international multinational companies located in the Czech Republic, and also the multinationals are a big employer of Czech employees.
In the Czech Republic, DHL is very well established. We are one of the biggest customers of CTP. In general, we lease approximately 100,000 square meters. CTP is a provider of space. We have at the moment about 2.5 million square meters of lettable area. Out of that, 2 million is industrial space, and out of that, about 800,000 square meters are warehouses.
Logistics is a core field of expertise in many European countries. It is a key economic factor, a job motor, and a future-oriented sector. It's necessary to repair or build new highway connections for good working of the logistic companies and their clients.
Předpokládáme, že budou pokračovat dálnice D3 a stavby na dálnici D3, bude pokračovat modernizace dálnice D1, stavby u Přerova, Přerov-Lipník, D1 0137. V realizaci je část rychlostní komunikace R4, předpokládáme další přípravu dálnice D11.
Our plans are grow up to 5 million square meters to 2020. We are now very quickly growing in Slovakia and Romania and looking at the other regions in Central Europe.